This is insane, insane run, 40x in just 1 month. What do you think will be the best performing stock or crypto of 2024? How about we look back at December, just this 1 month, this thing has done 40x. The narrative is going to be super important. This is in the gaming narrative. But more importantly, who could have called this? Wow, this was December the 1st when I told my Discord that I'm getting into Creo Engines, this amazing gaming coin, right? But what does it actually do and how much further can it actually run? See, this is what I call the holy grail of gaming, right? Basically, all the games you play right now, they're separate games, right? But however, imagine a world where all the games are like linked. Like you could basically get an NFT, an asset, like from say Fortnite, right? You get a gun or an armor, and you can go into another NFT game or a marketplace and sell that, or maybe even use it in like Super Mario or something. Imagine that one will be interlinked, right? Imagine they could all trade together. This is like imagine 200 years ago when if you are holding like the British pound and you want to use US dollars, right? How are you gonna go to the US and spend money? Now, there has to be someone who's going to create that exchange, the marketplace, right? The London Currency Exchange, the London Stock Exchange to enable, right, people and traders and banks to swap between different currencies. Well, Creo, C-R-E-O, is actually doing that, but for the gaming world, this is kind of like, they're doing it with NFTs, and this is kind of like the ultimate, right? The ultimate holy grail of gaming. This is like, remember Steam? Steam, the game engine, but for Web 2 games? Well, now what they're doing is kind of like the same idea, but for Web 3. So they have their own in-house game studio, right? They create all these fun games to play, and basically then they form their own ecosystem, just like Steam, the game engine. But what's exciting for me is that the fun doesn't just stop there, because they also have these dApps, right, that enable other game creators, right, other studios to turn their Web 2 game into a Web 3 game, right? They can use these dApps, these toolboxes that Creo offers to create, NFTs, staking, all sorts of things. So basically, other game creators can jump on board as well. This could be like something massive. I'm saying potentially it could be something massive, right? Now, when I first discovered this Creo, I told everyone in my Discord that, they were launched on Infinity Pad, but I was actually not involved in any way, right, with this coin. I didn't know about it. I just found out looking at the chart. So of course, as the price of Creo started to take off, 20x, 30x, I had to get in touch with the team and find out more about this coin. See what I could find out more than ahead of the rest of the market, as you would. And the team actually, saw my enthusiasm and they said, hey, Pablo, would you like to represent this coin? So how can I turn something like this down? So after it went 25x, right, I've spoken to the team and I agreed to their promotional idea. So this is a promotion, but however, it's now gone 40x. So can't complain about that either. What happens next, right, on this amazing journey that Creo is going on? Follow Pablo for more updates.